नमस्कार मुलांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता चौथी पाचवी च्या गणित या विषयावरील उजळणी वर्गाचा व्हिडिओ पाहणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न 1 to 20 addition and subtraction. Yesterday we learned 1 to 20. Now today we will do addition and subtraction. You know what is mean addition? Addition means to take together. Addition means to take the things together and count. ज्या अनेक वस्तू असतील किंवा 2-3 एकत्र करणे म्हणजेच काय तर ॲडिशन. टू टेक टुगेदर. Okay? And subtraction means to remove the things, to cut the things, less the things, to cut the things, to less the things, to remove the things. That is called subtraction. Very easy methods. Okay? Now listen. First we again learn 11 to 20. Okay. 110 2 units. 110 2 units. 12. Listen. 110 2 units. 12. Now you say after me. Say 110 2 units. 12. 110 2 units. 12. Good. 110 5 units. 15. 110 5 units. 15. Good. 110 9 units. 19. 110 9 units. 19. Good. 110 6 units. 16. 110 6 units. 16. 110 3 units. 13. 110 3 units. 13. 110 8 units. 18. 110 8 units. 18. 2 tens. 20. 2 tens. 20. Okay? Now first add the following. Addition. You know addition, to take the things together. Listen. These are 3 fingers and these are 2 fingers. How many total fingers are there? So take these together. How many fingers are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 fingers. Means the addition of 3 fingers and 2 fingers is 5 fingers. Okay? This time we do this addition. Listen here. 110 and 5 units. 110 and 5 units means 15. And 3 units. 15 and 3. There is very simple process to do addition. Listen how to add these numbers simply. For this you must take the first, the smallest number, smaller number. Listen, 15 is bigger number and 3 is smaller number. So you take the fingers of smaller number. Which is the smaller number is 3. So take 3 fingers. Now I am telling you the simple method to do addition. Okay? Which is the smaller number? The smaller number is 3. So take 3 fingers and count after bigger number. Which is the bigger number? That is 15 is bigger number. So count after 15. 15, 16, 17, 18. It is the easy method of addition. Listen again. First take which is the smaller number? 3 is the smaller number. So you take fingers according to smaller number. So here is 3 is the smaller number. So take 3 fingers and count after bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 15 is bigger number. So count after 15. 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. Or to count forward. Addition is to count forward. Addition means, listen, it's 15, 16, 17, 18. 15 plus 3 is equal to 15, 16, 17, 18. That is, I am telling you that take 3 fingers and count after bigger number 16, 17, 18. Okay? So, which is the answer? The answer is 18. Here is 6 and here is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 9. Which is the smaller number? The smaller number is 6. So take 6 fingers. Now count after bigger number. Bigger number is 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very easy. So which number will come here? Which is the addition of 6 and 9 is 15. Again listen. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. So which is the smaller number? Smaller number is 6. So take 6 fingers. Take the fingers according to smaller number. Take fingers according to smaller. So smaller number is 6. So take 6 fingers and count after bigger number. Count after bigger number. Bigger number is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Listen here. 7 plus 8. Which is the smaller number? Smaller number is 7. Smaller number is 7. So take 7 fingers and count after bigger number. Bigger number is 8. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which is the addition of 7 plus 8? 15. So write here 15. This is the easy method. Understood? Okay. Now 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Which is the smaller number? Smaller number is 7. So take 7 fingers Smaller number is 7. So take 7 fingers and count after bigger number. Bigger number is 9. So count after bigger number. Bigger number is 9. 9 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The addition of 9 plus 7 is 16. Understood? Listen. Fifth one. 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. Which is the smaller number? You know. And how to find out smaller number? If you have a question or have a problem to recognize the smaller number, so you count from 1, then the number which comes first is a smaller number. You count from 1, the number which number will come first is the smaller number. Okay. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number came first? 6. 6 is the smaller number and 12 is the bigger number. Okay. So take 6 because 6 is the smaller number. And which is bigger number? Bigger number is 12. So count after 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very easy. So write down here 18. The addition of 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Understood? Listen here. 8 plus 2. Which is the smaller number? Smaller number is 2. So take 2 fingers. Which is the bigger number? Bigger number is 8. So count after 8. 9, 10. So which is the addition of 8 plus 2? 10. This is the easy method. Understood? If you draw 8 circles for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 for 2 circles. How many total circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also good method, but this is not a smart method. Do you want to become a smart or not? Yes, you must become a smart student. So this is a very good method, but this is not a smart method. That I am telling that 8 plus 2, take 2 fingers and count after bigger number 8, 9, 10. This is the smart. Okay. This is the smart method. Now here 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7. Which is the smaller number? 7. So take 7 fingers. These are 7 fingers. Okay. Now count after bigger number. Bigger number is 13. So after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 13, which number have come? 20. Means the addition of 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. Okay, understood? Now subtract the following. We know that what is the meaning of addition? I am telling again that addition means to take together, collect the things together, to take the things together, collect the things together, all together. This is called addition. And subtraction, what is mean subtraction? Subtraction means to less the things, to remove the things, to cut the things. Understood? Subtraction means to remove the thing, to less the thing, to less the things, remove the things, cut the things, or I am also telling you the simply method and smart method, that is to count down, come back, means the before number, count before number. Subtraction is the another method is to count before number. Listen here. Which is the number? Listen. 110 4 units means 40 minus 7. 110 4 units minus 7. So how that we know that is the method what to cut the things, that is 1 1, second second, third third, 4 4, fifth fifth, 6 6, 7 7. How many remains? How many dots remain? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The answer is 7. That is also a very good method, but the smart method is that to count before. Listen, here is 17. 14. And 14 minus 7. So count before 7 numbers. Before number 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Which number came? 7. The subtraction of this 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. I am telling you, again I am repeating, how to subtract these equations, that how 14 minus 7, how many we have to minus? 7. So take 7 and count down from 14. Count the before numbers of 14. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. This is the very easy and smart method. The next, I am telling another method also, that but that is for some equations, some sums. So count after 7 to 14. That subtraction is the another method is that count after 7 up to 14. Count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 7. Means the subtraction of 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Okay. Now listen. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Now, first method, cut, cut. Second, second, third, third, fourth, fourth. How many remains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first method. But when there is very small numbers are there, the subtraction of small numbers we can do. But when big numbers, that 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, we can't do by this method. Okay? So we will take now we will taking the next method to count down. Counting before numbers. Here is 9 minus 4. So take 4 fingers and count down from 9. Before numbers 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay? 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Okay? And the next third method is what? To count after 4 up to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Understood? Okay. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. First method, now this, that you draw 8 circles, then minus means to cut. How many circles cut? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many remains? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. But it is for first standard, not for third, fourth, fifth standard. So now we take the second method, that 8 minus 5. So take 5 fingers and count down. Count before numbers. That before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Which number have come? 3. So the answer is 3. This is the second method. Third method, to count after 5 to 8. Count after 5 to 8. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So answer is 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Listen. Next one. 15 minus 8. Now we are not taking this method. Now the second and third method we are taking. Okay. 15 minus 8. So take 8 fingers and count down from 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Which number have come? 7. This is very easy method. And second one, that count after 8 to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 7. 7. Okay. The next one. 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7. So take the second one method, that take 7 fingers and count down from 18. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. What is the subtraction? That 11. Very easy method. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Now count from 7 to 18. It's very lengthy method, that 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 means 11. Understood? This type. So which is the easy method for this? For this type, when for this easy method is that to count down. Okay. 10 minus 4. Take 4 fingers and count down from 10. 9, 8, 7, 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Or the second one, that count after 4 up to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. Okay. 20 minus 6. So take 6 fingers and count down from 20. Count before numbers from 20 at 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Which is the subtraction of 20 minus 6, 14. Understood? Very good. Now, the next one, match the following. Here is subtraction, here addition, here also addition, here subtraction. So, first we find out the answer of these additions and subtraction, and then we match the numbers. Okay. So, here what is the first? 13 minus 8. Take 8 fingers and count down from 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 8, 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Where is 5? Here is 5. So, then match it. Okay. Here 16 plus 3. You know, is addition. So, take the fingers according to smaller number. Which is the smaller number? 3 is the smaller number. So, take 3 fingers and count after bigger number. Bigger number is 16, 17, 18, 19. What is the answer of this 16 plus 3? 19. So, where is 19? Here is 19. So, match 19. Understood? 8 plus 9. Here is also addition. Take, which is the smaller number? 8. Take 8 fingers and bigger number is 9. So, count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What is the answer of this? 17. Where is 17? 17 is here. Match this. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Take 2 fingers and count down from 9. 8, 7. What is the answer? 7. Here is 7. So, match 7. This is the method of match the following. Okay. Now here solve the following. There are these sums are vertical. The addition and subtraction is vertically arranged vertically. Okay. So here 7 plus 4. Take 4 fingers and count after bigger. 4 is the smaller number, no? So, take 4 fingers of smaller number and count after bigger number. 8, 9, 10, 11. So, which is the addition of this? 11. 12 minus 7. Minus 7. Okay? Take 7 fingers and listen. Minus means count down. Means count before numbers, and addition means count after numbers. Understood? That is the difference between addition and subtraction. Addition means to count after numbers, and subtraction means to count before numbers. Okay? Take 7 and count down from 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What is the subtraction of this? 5. Understood? 17 minus 9. Take 9 fingers and count down from 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What is the subtraction of 17 minus 8? 9 is 8. Understood? Here is 14 plus 3. Which is the smaller number? Smaller number is 3. Take 3 fingers. And bigger number is 14. Count after 14. 15, 16, 17. Very easy. What is the answer of this? 17. Understood? So you know how to add the numbers and how to subtract the number. Very easy. I have told you 2 or 3 methods to add and subtract. Okay? To follow this, and if any query, you see this video again and again. Okay? Thank you very much.